we met them. She wants to be called Francesca.
Oh, hello, and hello, darling people. Lena, my dear, you thought it was gorgeous as me. And Tony, my little pup. And Tata, my old friend. You all look great. The super production in Technicolor. Oh, Momsy, oh my God.
Oh, what's the matter now?
How many times must I tell you to use those tall glasses? Oh, poor little Momsy. She's so clumsy on her, but never mind if Momsy down.
No, I must be going to the market.
Oh, don't forget my celery pen, you know. I can't live without it. I'd like a rabbit munching all day. And a little blue lips and a little on the cheeks and say, mwah, mwah.
Do I have to, Pikay?
Say that again, please, Momsy.
Do I have to paint this old face of mine? Francesca, what am I going to do with you?
Oh, poor Momsy. How about that?
No, that's about New York.
It's just 10 months, 4 days, 7 hours, and 21 minutes. But I look around me and realize that no, I'm not there. I'm not in New York. I'm going home in Tondo, but which is home for me. This cannot be my real home because whenever I'm here, my home makes me homesickness. Oh, my dear New York, my dear New York.
The sun is so hot, very, very hot. Not really for me, but it's not the one. I'm sorry, anywhere.
Oh, so apparently, our Papa is still a crush on Lena. So what are you looking so miserable? Oh, just call me Francesca. That's a good beginning. Oh, Tony, can you just forget about it? Tony, I was only a child at the time. When you and I got engaged, I have changed so much since then, Tony.
That was only a year ago.
To me, it seems a century. So much has happened to me, Tony. Tony, you got engaged to a girl named Pikay. Well, that girl doesn't exist anymore. She's dead. The person you see before you now is Francesca. So you see, Tony, I'm a stranger to you. I hate to hurt you, but imagine a little girl named a boy. It's so insane, yeah. Hush, Tony. Hush. Don't lose your temper. It's self-uncivilized. People in New York don't lose their temper.
What do you want me to do? Man said thank you for this week. I swear, you're the woman.
Tony, what's the happening to me?
That told me I wasn't going to. If I did, it's their fault.
What's all this?
Nothing at all. We were quarreling. Tony and I just decided to be a good friend and nothing more.
Is that true, Tony?
So now, tell us what?
What's going on here? Tony and I are engaged.
Engaged? Engaged?
Yes, been secretly engaged for a month.
A month? He's still my fiancé.
He's not your fiancé.
He is, because he was still engaged before he got engaged to you.
But it's not engaged to you anymore. You just said it yourself.
Oh, wait, Lena. I didn't love you. I could never love you. You're a mistake.
I love you, but I guess I'm letting go. many